Maybe if you marry for a couple of years now, but your partner is always maltreating, your partner is always moving from one man or one woman to the other, and you want the person to love you, do as you say, you want your wish to be your partner's command, then don't just pass by. This is what we call the instant love spell or instant remedy, love remedy. Those that have done something for them, they are all giving out their testimony. Yes, maybe your partner is maltreating, maybe you were in a relationship with someone that you love, but the person is always cheating on you. The person have left your whole life and you want the person back into your life again. This is what they are going to do. This leaf that you are seeing over here, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf. Yes, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf. Now look at dialect, this is what we call the wagashi leaf. You go and plug one of these leaves. After plugging the leaves, you write only your partner's name in it, like I've written the Kate in it. Only your partner's name must be written inside. Yes, this is a salt. After writing your partner's name in it, you will just sprinkle some small salt on your partner's name. Just sprinkle it on the name like this. So after sprinkling, you mention the person's name, then you put it. So Kate, from today going, I maybe Samuel, I want you to love me like never before. I want my wish to be your command. I really want you to love me and do as I say. Yes, I don't want you to live a day without even hearing from me. Yes, I want you to love me. I want to be the only lover in your life. Before me, I don't want anybody to come before me. I want to be the only lover. Love me like never before. Then put it in a ripe plantain. Let me tell you, the more the plantain gets rotten, the more the person loves you. After putting the plantain in like this, you are going to bury it. Yes, you are going to bury this at cemetery around 11:30 p.m. evening time. Yes, the more the plantain rots, the more the person loves you. So after doing this direction, put it at the back of your mind that nobody can separate both of you. Only death and God. I'm telling you.